If you visit this site, it is from a national magnetic lab. It is the largest in the nation, if not the world, out of Florida State University. They have a simulation, an applet, that allows you to play a little bit with different materials and figure out which ones are diamagnetic or paramagnetic. Okay, the simulation is here. Okay, so you can select the materials from here. They are listed, whatever they are. Read the directions. It tells you what kind of things you can do. But for example, if I pull out gold, this is gold, and I can rotate it. And you see it always goes back to the initial state. It might take a little time to do it. And then we can look for a diamagnetic material like bismuth. And you see it orients differently because the interaction of the bismuth with the magnetic field, that's due to the magnet. This is the magnet. That's one pole and that's the other pole. It's different than the interaction of a paramagnetic material. In the case of diamagnetic materials, it's going to oppose the magnetic field. So it's going to result in a magnetization within the material that's opposite to the magnetic field due to this magnet here. See, I can rotate it by doing this. And then for paramagnetic, it's the interaction is different because the magnetic field then, due to the gold, is going to be in the same direction as the applied magnetic field. Okay. Now, an interesting thing that's due to diamagnetism is what we call levitation. Remember, all materials exhibit diamagnetism, like the strawberry that you just looked at. Let me see if I can play it again. Okay, you see it here suspended in a magnetic field, in a strong magnetic field. So it is suspended in air there. It is levitating. That's what we call it. Because the magnetization within the strawberry is opposite to the magnetic field due to the strong magnet. This happens for all materials. So for example, the people who did the strawberry, they also did it on live animals. Like in this case, it's a frog. And you see the frog is suspended in that area where there is a strong magnetic field and nothing else. So you see the frog kind of floating around, and here is a grasshopper experiencing the same thing, being suspended in a strong magnetic field. Now, if a material is not paramagnetic or diamagnetic, it's going to be ferromagnetic.